Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy USDT in Mexc Global. For that, you just have to launch your Mexc Global mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you need to tap on this More tab in the top, and here you just have to scroll down, and in the common function section, you are going to see Buy Crypto. So you need to tap on Buy Crypto, and after waiting for some time, you will be redirected on this type of page where you need to fill out this form. Now over here, you first have to select your currency from which you are going to purchase USDT. For this video, I have selected it as Euro, but if you want to select it as USDT or if you want to select your own currency, then you can tap on this drop arrow button, and among these given currencies, you can choose any of the currencies as you want. After that, in this section, you will have to enter the amount, the USDT of which you want to purchase. Then in the I will receive section, you will have to select it as USDT and it will show you the exchange rate as well. Now over here in the payment method, if you tap on this drop arrow button, you will be able to see the option of debit or credit card. So you can make payment via debit or credit card. So you just have to select this option, and after that you need to tap on Buy USDT. Once done, if you haven't already signed up into your Mexc Global account, then you will be asked to provide your email address and to create your account. Now once you have successfully logged in, you will be landed on the next page where you need to provide your debit or credit card details, and you simply need to conclude your payment. Now once you do this successfully, you will have to come to the home page, and then you need to tap on this Wallets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen in order to view your USDT in your account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.